it's Teresa in the Pulaski County Public Library Teen Department. Today we are looking at a little Shamrock magnet that we're making out of toilet paper roll. And you're going to need, of course, toilet paper roll, and I'm using popsicle sticks and Cloverfield paint, acrylic paint, washi tape, which I use this color, but you can get washi tape anywhere and use whatever color you'd like. You need scissors and a hot glue gun. So to make your little clover leaf, you're just going to smash your toilet paper roll in half and just cut strips kind of like this. Then what I did after I cut, you need at least 4 of those for your 4-leaf clover. I painted them, and they dry pretty quick, so they'd be green, and I painted them. And then what I did was you just take, and you kind of make a heart out of it. So you're going to take those ends like that. You're going to use the glue gun to glue those together. And then once you get those made, then what you're going to do is glue the ends. You're going to make one stem that's just flattened, and you're going to glue one to the top here like this. Then you're going to go underneath with your other one, and one to the top and one underneath to the other one, and that puts your clover leaf together with the stem. And then with your popsicle stick, I just used a half of one. Of course, you can make them as big as you want, but I just used a half of one, and I took my washi tape and I covered it, covered that, but you wouldn't have to because it's green, but you can paint it, or I use the washi tape because I like the little sparkly to it. So I put that on there and kind of trimmed it. And then what I did was I took, this is just magnet strips you can get that stick. So I took a little, cut that to be, where it wouldn't come out oversized. You can cut them. And I hot glued it. Now it has a sticky, but sometimes they don't stay on there too well, so I kind of hot glued my magnet to the back. So it looks like this. I hot glued the magnet to the back. And then I hot glued my clover leaf to my popsicle stick. Has my magnet on the back. And then there you have your little magnet. And that's how you make your Shamrock magnet out of toilet paper roll. Thank you.